In this video, I will show you how to add an Etsy link to TikTok. Start by copying your Etsy shop link from your browser and then open TikTok. Next, navigate to your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on your profile, click on the Edit Profile button. While you can add your Etsy link to your bio, it won't be clickable. To make the link clickable, you need to add it as a link. If we tap on Links option from here, as you can see here, you have the option of YouTube and Instagram, but you do not have any option to add an external website link. For this, first of all, you need to turn your TikTok personal account into a business account. To do this, go back to your profile and tap on the three lines at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. From there, choose Switch to Business Account. Follow the prompts by selecting your business category and tapping Next. You can add an email address and bio if desired, or skip these steps. Complete the registration process by entering your business details, including your legal business name, address, and license ID. Once your business account is set up, return to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Now, tap on the Links option, where you'll see the website option alongside Instagram and YouTube. Enter your Etsy shop link here and tap Save. Your Etsy link will now be clickable on your TikTok profile, making it easier for users to visit your shop.